Kids? Okay, so all these are the 6th standard students. Now I have given you one sum on the board, finding LCM by synthetic division method. This question is from chapter 3, playing with numbers. Okay, so what does LCM stands for? Least common multiple or lowest common multiple, which means the lowest of their common multiples of the given numbers. Okay, then what are the two methods of finding LCM? Can't understand. Prime factorization method and synthetic division method. So now you have to find the LCM of these three numbers using synthetic division method. Who will do it? Anshuman will do. Okay, do it, Anshuman. Okay, kids, what are the steps of doing it? What are the steps? The first step is you have to write all the given numbers in a line, separating them with a comma. Okay, see, these three numbers are there. You have to first write them in line, separating them with a comma. Other students, please watch whether he is doing it correctly or not. Okay, okay. And then next is you have to find the prime number which is dividing at least two of the given numbers. Okay, you have to start dividing with the least prime number. Okay, and that number should divide at least two given numbers. Okay, see how he is doing it. 2 he has taken. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16. Then again he has taken 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Okay, next what number you can take? 7. Okay, at least two numbers it should divide. Okay, 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28, 7 7s are 49. Okay, see, no need, you can take, okay. Again 4 is remaining, yeah. You can take the same. Okay. So, see, all these are the prime numbers only. So, no need to divide them more, okay. So, now you have to find the LCM. You can write it at the top. How you, the place will not be sufficient. But do it here. Okay. So, yeah. So what he has done, kids, he has written the quotient below each of them and he has carried forward whatever he is not able to. Yeah, so the LCM of the product of all the prime divisors. See, these are the prime divisors. Okay, all the prime divisors and along with the co-primes in the last row. See, LCM is the product of all the prime divisors and along with the co-primes in the last row. Okay. Yeah. The LCM of, the LCM is of, you have to write these numbers then. Okay. Okay, come on. Multiply them. 4, okay.